Yes.
You having fun? You having fun?
And sometimes she's kind of rude. Because when I have something, she snaps it from me.
Is your mom on Skype?
Jackie sings cat food.
What?
And
you hungry?
And paper.
You're happy, that's for sure.
It says tattoo caca. What does that mean? That means
hi.
thank you, God. She is lots of fun and
Today's going to be a very special day. Today is a special day when the Wiggles are around.
right.
Mike and hardly wait. Yahoo! The Wiggles, tomorrow at 4.
Bless you. Bless you.
Want to play with me?
Woohoo.
All right. And whenever Vito has a problem, you'll be there to lend a helping hand. Wait, I'll help you.
And some more? There. Make a mess.
No matter what they do, no matter where they go, you're headed for adventure. You'll be at the weekend at 7. You're watching Treehouse.
You want out?
Hi, everybody. It's kind of hard to miss. I'm a seahorse elephant. Maybe you can take out the part about the seahorse.
And no peeking, Goliath.
Oops, sorry. It's just it's dark in here, so perhaps he's a scaredy cat elephant.
Trey's pretty freaking wobbly.
Big bad